Good morning, everybody. It's Mommy and Mally Crew, and we are back with another video. And today, y'all gonna be in the kitchen cooking with Mommy and Alex. Mommy and Alex. Nah, but for real, I am going to, he was breastfeeding, so sorry about that. I am going to take y'all through how I make breakfast. It should be a pretty quick breakfast. I'm supposed to be doing bacon, sausage, scrambled eggs, and cinnamon rolls. That is awesome that you can get it like your local grocery store, but y'all will get to see how I do it. It normally does not take me very long, and I think my cooking is pretty awesome. So comment down below if you guys. Okay, guys. So Big Alex came to come get baby Alex. There was Malachi that went by. He will be in this video, possibly, maybe not. He is in class, so we know with everything that's going on in the world, most of the kids are doing the virtual learning. So I am going to jump right into this video and go ahead and show y'all how I get down in the kitchen. So stay tuned for this cooking. These are our final plates, y'all. So yes, I threw down in the kitchen, and I'm super proud. So again, as I always tell you guys, please don't forget to comment down below if you want to see more cooking videos. Okay, guys, so this is the Get Ready With Me Mommy edition. As y'all can see, baby playing with his book bag. Got him like a little two-piece, the pants, a hoodie, a long sleeve little dinosaur shirt to put underneath. He got his bib, his little shoes, and he was showing, oh, and some socks. And I'm trying to get him as warm as possible. Make sure he's as warm as possible because here in St. Louis it's freezing cold and it's so much snow outside. And yeah, so I'm gonna make sure that I keep my baby warm. Say hi. So I'm gonna take these clothes off of him, y'all, and call myself trying to get him dressed. So better yet, I need to actually change his pants. This little boy picking up everything. For all my mommies in the world, isn't it amazing how these babies grow? They grow up so quickly. Like, this little boy is literally about to be 9 months on the first, and I feel like I just had him yesterday. Leave it alone, this child. It's a test. But normally, I give him a bath the night before because it just makes life a whole lot easier. Then still, because right now he is a baby and you have to be like extremely careful with their pores or whatever. You don't want to like give him a bath and then take him outside. You just want to be really, really wary of that. And I just normally will take like a baby wipe his face, and then put some lotion on him and his hair. So of course he a breastfed baby, so y'all want some of them nitties, mama? I want some nitties, girl. I know y'all gonna talk about my blinds down in the comments, but we do have a husky. One of these days we'll do a full video for y'all on that daggone dog. But he tears up, or used to tear up, everything. He don't tear up as much as he used to. I don't know if it's because he's getting older or what, but anywho. that is it for that. So y'all can stay tuned for the rest of this video so y'all can get ready with me. There you go. So anywho, y'all, all I had to do was brush my teeth, wash up real quick, because again, like I said, I have a doctor's appointment and I have to like rush. Excuse all of this in the background. We just had our bathroom remodel, so I got a whole bunch of yak up there, so ignore. But let me show y'all what I'm throwing on today. Just something really quick. It's nothing all exotic or anything. Just like a thermal. I'm gonna put a tanky underneath it. I have some black leggings, which is always the go-to, especially after having a baby, because it just makes life so much easier, because your body and all that good stuff, body been changed around, and I have gained well over 20 pounds. So I have some brown boots that I'm going to throw on. I got on this bad baby because I am going to throw on a wig and a headband. So I will get back to you guys after I am fully dressed. Okay guys, so I am finally finished. This is my final look. I don't know why, but I am like so freaking obsessed with this wig and this head wrap thing, but it's quick and easy. I'm not doing any makeup because I am going to be wearing a mask again. I do have a doctor's appointment today, so just pray for me. Everything cool, just making sure everything stays cool. But this is the final look, y'all. So I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but that's pretty much it. Nothing too in particular. I just threw something on so I can get to this appointment and enjoy the rest of my off day. So we catch y'all when we getting ready to load up in the car.
Do what you gotta do, right? Yeah, y'all be careful.
Yeah, we trying
I gotta
to
get a shovel. I'm gonna buy up one today. I know that. Anytime, I know. Y'all my family too. I don't wanna be a mook. So now you ain't got no excuse. I don't wanna be no mook, man. Come on, man. I don't wanna be no mook.
oh child, y'all talking about ghetto. Do y'all see this? Do y'all? Okay guys, so I am currently in a hospital. On my way up to where I am supposed to go to get my appointment completed, so I can just wait for the next elevator. Make sure y'all put your mask on to be safe. Okay guys, so I am leaving. That was like 2 seconds worth of a doctor's appointment, but I'm done and I feel really good about what happened. My doctor told me that everything's gonna be just fine, nothing to worry about. So I just thank God. Please pray for me. Always pray for me, as I will do the same for you guys. Again, I just feel so blessed, like I really do. Hopefully all is well, and nothing goes wrong, but again, I'm confident that I will be well. So just wish me the best, y'all. So I am about to get in the car, and we got a couple more errands to run today. I got some stuff that will be coming up soon. Trying to start my own business, you guys, so wish me luck and say a prayer for me on that too. But yeah, so okay guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all so very much for sticking with me today. I love y'all so very much. It definitely was a long and successful day. As I was saying, I was working on a few business things, which eventually you guys stick with me, will come eventually down the line, and I'll be able to tell you guys more about that later on. We ended up stopping to go get food, and we got some bubble tea, so I'm super excited about that. Pretty successful day. As I told y'all from before, pray for me, and I will always do the same for you guys. Hopefully everything is okay as far as the doctor. I just had a baby 8 months ago, for everybody that don't know that, and just making sure that all was well with me. So again, that's pretty much it. As I always tell you guys, keep God first, believe in yourself, no matter what nobody tells you what you're supposed to do. Believe in yourself. Why? Because that's all that matters. If you believe in you, then that's good enough. Okay? So I love you guys, and we will catch y'all in our next video. So stay tuned. Bye.